Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your link or your username in Linktree. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to change the username. At the bottom left, you can see your username right here. Simply click on it right now. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options. Right now, what you guys need to do is simply go to your account. The very first option that you guys will see is this button called as My Account. Click on it right now. From here, you will be redirected to My Account section. Well, as you can see, from here, you can enter your name, you can change the email address, but for now, I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something called as Linktrees You Own. And just below it, this is the Linktree that I own, and right next to it, you can see these three dots. Simply click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This thing will open up. From here, you can go to settings, change appearance, links, and right now, all we want to do is change the username. So I'm gonna click on it right now. From here, this page will open up. Simply click on the text box right here and just change the username as per you wish. I'm gonna change it right now. And once you've done that, simply click on this Review Username Change. And guys, that is it. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on Confirm Change. This is it, guys. As you can see, my username has been changed. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how you change your username or the link for your Linktree. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.